My youngest son actually called me up this morning and asked me, he wanted to get started with Aider chat, which I love. It's a great agentic coding tool, one I originally started with and still recommend to folks. Recently it made a change and actually made the default option for using Aider chat to be able to use OpenRouter for all your models. That way you can easily select multiple models, like have an architect model being Claude Sonnet and have your coder model be OpenAI's GPT-5, so you can leverage the best attributes of both those things. But it's actually still possible to use the other models directly. So if you want to bring your API keys for OpenAI or your API keys for Anthropic, you can set those environment variables before you start up Aider chat, and it'll actually use those instead of prompting you to put in your OpenRouter API keys. So a little bit of a tip there, if you still want to use the other API endpoints and not go through OpenRouter, which I recommend OpenRouter, but you may still want to use those other ways of accessing those APIs, you still can just by setting those API keys.